How's it going, folks? Jake Ford here from Kunes RV of Green Bay. Here to talk to you about the Jayco Jay Feather 22RK. This coach is about 28 feet long, weighs in at about 5,500 pounds, can be towed by any half ton, and a couple other bigger SUVs. All right, the Jay Feather is prepped, ready to go for your observation camera in the rear. It also has prep for your side marker cameras as well on both sides. This coach has an outdoor shower right back here and your city water connection right back here. Spare tire right on the bumper. Ladder to get up to the roof. 19-foot awning over on this side here. We got the MORryde steps up in the rear and the regular fold-out steps in the front. This coach here has laminated walls, Goodyear tires, one of the only brands on the planet that does Goodyear tires, outside speakers with a nice full LED lighting that goes right underneath the awning there, plenty of storage up front. Now let's head into the interior of the coach and check out that. All right, folks, welcome to the interior of the coach. Right next to the door, we got our control panel here with our power awning switch and our power slide switch. Over on the top here, and we have our cabinets, all held up with struts. Generally, you've got something in your hands when you're going to put it up there, so it makes sense to have struts there to hold it open for you while you're putting your big crock pot away or whatever. Down here, we have our Stacy Stewart theater seating that reclines. Pretty nice stuff. Over here we've got a big pantry. Good amount of counter space here for only a 28-foot coach. Big sink. Big cabinets up top here. Screwed and glued cabinets. Extremely important in a coach like this. We got outlets right here built into the countertop. We got 110 and USB. Also back over by the theater seating there is 110 and USB next to each seat. Over here we have a 3-burner cooktop with oven, microwave, and range. All right, folks, on the other side of the living room kitchen area, we've got our little entertainment center here. Cabinet doors in here, a little bit more storage. 110 inside this guy here. We got drawers on both sides. We got a Bluetooth stereo right here, so you can hook up any smartphone to that and play some tunes inside and outside. Also, pulling this little chain here, opens up a little bit of hidden storage right behind the TV there, with all of your coax and your 110 hookups for your TV back there as well. And that closes pretty easy. A little bit of storage up top here, and then this here is your slide. This whole frame here, a little bit more storage here, little pantry. In here, we've got a nice little table that you can use anywhere. Bring it outside, put it in front of the theater seating for a nice puzzle or something. Let's see, and inside here, we've got our 8 cubic foot, 12-volt refrigerator. Now, this refrigerator here runs strictly on 12-volt, no gas components. That's how they got it so deep back there. They pulled all the gas, or all the LP components, and they got 2.5 extra cubic feet in there. And now let's make our way to the bedroom. All right, folks, right before we go to the bedroom, I want to talk a little bit about the heating and cooling system of this coach. In this coach, we do have the thermostat right here in the hallway wall. It has a 13,500 BTU air conditioner with this coach. It's fully ducted throughout the entire coach, even into the bathroom, along with the furnace. That is ducted through the floor, which is nice because it's going to run right along your tanks, which is going to help keep them nice and warm. Also, this coach does have a smoke detector up top here, and also a carbon monoxide detector right down by the floor here. Now, if you follow me right into the hallway and into the bathroom here, we can see that we have a nice countertop in here with a residential style faucet, a nice medicine cabinet up top here with 2 shelves in there. And then next to the shower, we do have plenty of towel hooks. Big corner shower. skylight above. Also, there is a vent and fan above the pretty standard toilet, and some more shelving and more hooks. All right, folks, in the bedroom now, we do have a pretty standard queen size Serta mattress right here. Also plenty of cabinet space for everything that you have. We do have 2 nooks on both sides with 110 and a little light in there. And on each side of the bed here, we've got USB and 110 outlets. So that is 8 110 outlets right around the bed here, and 4 USB ports. Also, we have plenty of storage underneath the foot of the bed here for the interior storage, and on the outside of that wall right here, towards the head of the bed, is going to be your exterior storage, and we'll get to that in a little bit here. Right over here, we've got another cabinet. All these shelves can be taken out with ease to create a nice hanging closet as well. And then 4 very good sized drawers right here. Another awesome thing about this coach is you have an exterior door right here in your bedroom. Now, hypothetically, you have guests staying and they're over there. They want to go to bed early. It's nice to have a door right here you can go in and out of without disturbing any guests. All right, folks, now to the exterior of the coach. We got a giant pass-through storage up front for all your exterior storage needs. You can fit camping chairs, fishing poles, literally anything that you can think of. With the 8-foot wide exterior, you got plenty of room here. Inside here, you're gonna have a 110 outlet. There are lights in here. Jayco's pretty nice. They offer the little tire pressure gauge in there. Also, your battery disconnect switch is on the very other side. Really easy right there. That'll kill all your power when you don't need it on anymore. All right, folks, time to wrap things up. Here we got a last little bit of storage here. Jayco, they try their hardest. They try to give you as much storage as humanly possible. If they can fit a storage door in somewhere, they're gonna most certainly try. So back here, you got a little bit of storage. And also up front here, I wanted to go over, this thing does come standard with a black tank flush. One of the most important things for any camper. Also your water tank, your dumping station is right in front of the tires here. Yes. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out. Like I said, my name is Jake Ford here at Kunes RV of Green Bay. You can reach us at 920-434-2380. And you can also reach me by email, jake.ford@kunesrv.com. Thank you very much. Have a good one.